Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an at-home spa day, so let's get right into it. Alright y'all, so if you guys been watching me, you guys know I have been in box braids for the past month doing the protective styling thing, but you know, I'm about to switch it up, so yeah, want to get my life together. So I'm going to start with washing my hair. I just took out my braids. My scalp is disgusting and my hair needs to be washed. So I'm going in with my Herbal Essence shampoo, and I'm just going to use that to wash my hair. I do my first wash and I'm just, you know, massaging the shampoo throughout my head, make sure I'm scrubbing my scalp and getting all that build up and everything out my head. So I'm going to rinse that out, and then I'm going to do a second shampoo just to ensure that my hair and my scalp is fully cleansed. So now that my hair is clean, we're going to move on to conditioning it, and I'm going to be using my Organics coconut milk conditioner, and I'm also going to be using my Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner. So I'm just going to mix both of them and apply it to my hair. I start by just like roughly applying the conditioner, and then I'm going to go in section by section just to make sure that all of my hair is fully coated. And I also go in with a wide tooth comb and comb through and make sure it's detangled, and you know, just make sure that my hair, all of my strands are getting covered. And then once everything's covered, I'm just going to take a plastic cap and put that over my hair just to do, you know, a little deep conditioning, nothing too major. While that's sitting, I'm going to get ready for my shower. So first I'm going to start by washing my face, and I'm just using my Clean and Clear Morning Burst cleanser to wash my face, go in all my crevices, and just make sure that my face is properly cleansed. I rinse it off, and then I also do a second wash on my face too. Now we're gonna get these teeth white and pearly, so I'm using my Whitening Mouthwash, and I'm gonna start by using that as a pre-wash and rinse that around my mouth. If you guys have not seen my other self-care video, I go more into depth about the products that I like to use, so I will link that down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, so after I do that, I'm just going to brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna rinse with just like your standard mouthwash after that. So moving right along, this is a full self-care day, so I need to shave these legs of mine. I like to use the Intuition razor. So basically it's just like this really big razor, and it has like a soap thing at the top. So I usually wet my leg, wet my razor, and then you can just shave. So it makes it really easy. I personally hate shaving my legs. It's just like such a tedious task. But these razors make it real easy and yeah, get straight to the point. And I also use these on my armpits as well. So yeah, I did shave my armpits because them needed to be hit also. So I'm just gonna go finish shaving these legs up. And after I finish shaving, I'm also going to be using a body scrub. So I'm going to be using this Bohemian Escape. It's made by The Hut. I just started using this. This is the shea butter and turmeric one, I think. So yeah, I know it has turmeric in it, and it exfoliates and tones your skin. So I'm just rubbing that all over my legs. I also use this on my entire body. So yeah, it's really good just for your body overall, especially good for your feet too, since we can't get pedicures like that. So make sure you hit your feet too while you're doing the rest of your body. But yeah, I just go and I rub this all over my body. It's just going to get rid of all of the dead skin, and because it has the turmeric in it, it's going to make sure that my skin is nice and even and all one color. And then I'm going to go off camera and just finish my shower. I like to use the Dove body wash. This is the Pampering Shea Butter one. It's really good for your skin. And I also use a like loofah type of washcloth. It's also really good for your skin and makes your skin really soft. And so once you get out the shower, the next important step is moisturizing. So today I'm using coconut oil. I switch back between like shea butter and coconut oil. So yeah, I'm using coconut oil, making sure that my skin is nice and moisturized, because I don't want to be clean and then be ashy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and I go over my entire body. So now we are nice and clean, and I'm just going to put on some Smell Good. This is the My Burberry Black. This one and the original My Burberry are like my go-to scents. They're very soft and kind of sweet and just very feminine. So yeah, I'm going to spray some of that on, and then we're going to get into some skincare. So I tell you guys all the time, I have really dry skin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like on my nose right now, I have a dry patch. So I'm going to be doing a hydrating mask. And so here's the mask that I'm going to be using. It's advertised as a moisture bomb. So yeah, I'm just going to follow the instructions on the pack and put that on my face. So it has like 2 pieces to it. So you get it aligned, and then you're going to press it into your skin. And then you pull like the blue top portion off, and then the rest of the mask sticks to your face. And then after you do this, you can like realign it and position it if you need to. So I'm gonna let that sit for 15 minutes, and while I'm waiting, I went and poured me a glass of Prosecco, and I'm just gonna scroll on my phone and just relax for a little bit while this sits on my face. I'm gonna troll my boyfriend, send him selfies because I'm annoying like that. Yeah, I'm just chilling while I'm waiting for this face mask to sit. And now it's 15 minutes later, so I'm just going to take it off. And your face will look like wet and not sticky, but it definitely still has like product on it. So you can just go ahead and rub the rest of the product in. Even though this is a hydrating mask, like my face felt hydrated, but I still went in after this and applied a little moisturizer just to make sure that like the moisture was kind of sealed in because yeah, my face kind of stiffened up a little bit afterwards. So yeah, definitely go in and apply moisturizer when you're done. Now we're going back to the hair. Yeah, I'm going to moisturize and blow dry my hair and just prep it, because I do have some hair tutorials coming for you guys, so definitely be on the lookout for those. So I like to split my hair into 4 sections and then moisturize and blow dry by section. So first I'm going to go in with this Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to spray that throughout the first section. Then I'm going to go in with my African Pride Black Castor Miracle Oil and apply some of that. Pour it in my hand first and then apply it through that section. Make sure I'm going like in between the section and making sure that all the hair is evenly coated. Lastly, I'm going to spray it with this Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Protectant. So I just spray that all over that section. Then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just comb through and make sure that my hair is properly detangled before I blow dry it. Then I'm going to go in with a blow dryer and comb attachment and just blow dry that first section. And then once it's fully dry, I'm just going to put it in a ponytail out the way and repeat the same steps on the rest of the sections of my head.
Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the last one.
And then once all of my hair is dry, I'm just going to take some more of that oil and apply it throughout my head, rub it on my temples, and just make sure that, you know, my hair is moisturized and all that good stuff. And like I said, I'm prepping my hair for another video, so I went off camera and did that. And so here's what we have. Can you guys guess what the hairstyle is going to be based on how my hair is set up? Let me know down in the comment section what you think the next hair video will be. But yeah, I'm just going to tie my hair down and put that away before we get to the last step of this spa day. So last but not least, we're just getting these eyebrows together. So I'm just going to clean them up. I have not done my eyebrows, I don't think, since like maybe end of March, beginning of April, and they are a mess. Luckily, like, bushy eyebrows are kind of in, so I'm not going to do anything too drastic. I'm just cleaning them up a little bit. I do have a full video on eyebrow care, so I'll also link that down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, this is all a part of like the pre-glow up. So before we get to any new makeup, any new hair videos, I had to go through all of these steps after being in like protective styles and just chilling for the last month and a half. Yeah, we're getting it together. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this spa day. I do have some more videos coming up for you guys for like at-home care, so definitely make sure that you're subscribed and you have your post notifications on so you won't miss any. But yeah, now I'm just finishing up these brows. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better. And that is it for our at-home spa day. We got clean moisturized hair, clean moisturized skin, groomed body hair, and yeah, we are ready to get glammed up in these next few videos. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.